Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make a Spotify song using the 3D printer. First, you want to come up here to the tabs and you're going to open the Google search. You're going to type in Spotify so that you're able to search the song that you like. So once the Spotify page is open, you're going to come over here to the left and you're going to click search. Right up here to the top, you're just going to search whatever song you want to make. I'm just going to type in today's hits. And I'm going to click on songs. And we'll just do, let's see here. Unholy, I guess, is fine. Right over here, all the way to the right, you're going to see these three dots. You're going to click on the three dots. And it's going to come down here to where it says share. And you're going to click copy song link. After you do that, you're going to come right up here, back to the tabs, and you're going to open another bar, and you're going to type in Spotify codes. Enter. You want to come here and click Spotify codes. And this link, you're going to delete it. And you're going to just copy and paste that link that you just saved previously. Click Get Spotify Code, and this page will appear. Right over here on the right side, you want to click the arrow, and you want to click PNG. Once that's done, just click Download. And now your file is downloaded. Now we need to come back up here to the top, click the plus sign, and you're going to type in Lithophane, Lithophane, maker, Maker, and press enter. You want to click the one that says Image to Lithophane 3D Printing Rocks. Once this page appears, you need to upload that file that you just saved. So click over here on Image, click on Choose Files, and it should be the first one on the list. So you want to click this button right here and click Open. And here is your Spotify code. Just click Download on the bottom right. And now that file is downloaded right here onto your computer. You can now minimize this page right here with this button. And you're going to open the Prusa Slicer. Once this is opened up, you're going to click the plus sign right up here on the top left. And you're going to click that file that you just saved and click Open. Okay, using your mouse, you can move this table over. You can click and drag your part that you're going to make. But we also need to resize this because it's a little too big. So let's go over here to the left side and click this scale button. And what you can do is you can zoom in with your mouse and you can just drag this. So a rule of thumb is you can make it as big as about 1.5 squares. So this big square right here and half of one. That seems to be a good size. So then I would like you to come down here to the paint palette. We're going to click the paint palette. And we need to identify what's going to be gray and what's going to be black when you print this out. So right down here, you have a first color and a second color. And right down here, you have brush, smart fill, and bucket fill. You want to click smart fill. And you're going to click your whole piece right here with the left click so that all of it is orange. As you can see, all of your piece is orange. But now we have to click the top of these little lines here in black. So right here, this pink, using your right button on your mouse, just going to zoom in and you're going to click the top, just the top, using the right click of your mouse. Okay, so we're just going to click these little lines here. It looks like little mountains. We're just going to click the top. Make sure you are clicking the top of it and not the sides. Okay, you can zoom in, you can drag over the table, and remember to just click the top. If you accidentally click something, that's okay. You can unclick it. All right, so now the top is pink and we are good. So now what you can do is you can click slice now right here at the bottom right. And now we are ready to save it. This is saying it's going to take 51 minutes, but that's okay because once it starts printing, we can speed it up on the machine. We're going to click export G-code. And now this is the file that's going to be saved and uploaded onto the 3D printer. So what I'd like you to do is you're going to leave all this right here on the right side. But as soon as you see this dash 0.15, you're going to delete everything before that and you're going to type in the name of the song. So I'm just going to type in song, but you will type in whatever the name of it is so that you remember what it is. Once that's typed, click save. And now you're ready to just drag the file into the SD card and plug it into the 3D printer and make your Spotify code song.